In this video, I will be showing you the reactions for Series 2 and 3. In Series 2, we will be doubling the concentration of the potassium iodide. And in Series 3, we will be tripling the concentration of the potassium iodide. We are going to adjust the amount of distilled water in each series so that we end up with a total of 300 microliters in each well. So we'll start by adding 100 microliters of the potassium iodide solution, 50 microliters of the hydrochloric acid solution, 50 microliters of distilled water, (25 microliters of the sodium thiosulfate solution. This is going to stay the same for every series, and same with the starch. We will always use 25 microliters of the 2% starch solution. Once we have all of those reactants in place, we are going to stir our micro wells gently. And the last thing we will do is add potassium bromate. As soon as we add those 50 microliters of potassium bromate, start your stopwatch. And you'll stop your timer as soon as you start to see it turn blue. We are going to do 4 more trials of this series and calculate an average of all 5 trials. Here is our ingredient list for Series 3. Notice how it's exactly like Series 1, except now we are tripling our concentration of the potassium iodide. And we're adjusting for this by adding 0 microliters of distilled water, because we want to keep our total volume at 300 microliters. So we'll start by adding 150 microliters of the potassium iodide solution. Then we'll add 50 microliters of the hydrochloric acid, 25 microliters of the sodium thiosulfate. Remember, this stays the same in every series. So does the starch. We add 25 microliters of the 2% starch solution to every trial. We will stir gently with a toothpick. And then get your stopwatch ready. As soon as that potassium bromate gets added, you need to start your timer. And stop your timer as soon as you start to see the smallest bit of blue form. We will do 4 more trials of this, and we will calculate an average of all 5 trials.